And if I'm ever at the crossroads and start feeling mixed signals like Morse code, my soul start to grow colder than the North Pole. I try to focus on the whole of where the torch goes, in the tradition of these legendary sports pros. As far as I can see, I've made it to the threshold. Lord knows I waited for this a lifetime, and I'm an icon when I let my light shine. Shine bright as an example of a champion, taking the advantage, never copping out or canceling. Burn like a chariot, learn how to carry it. Maverick, always above and beyond average. Fuel to the flame that I train with and travel with. Something in my eyes say I'm so close to having the prize. I realize I'm supposed to reach for the skies. Never let somebody try to tell you otherwise.
There's something in your heart, and it's in your eyes. It's the fire inside you. Let it burn. You don't say good luck, you say don't give up. It's the fire inside you. Let it burn.
One love, one game, one desire, one flame, one bonfire, let it burn higher. I never show signs of fatigue or turn tired, cause I'm the definition of tragedy turned triumph. It's David and Goliath, I made it to the eye of the storm, feeling torn like they fed me to the lions. Before my time start to wind down like the Mayans, I show them how I got to grind down like a science. It sounds like a riot on hush, it's so quiet, the only thing I hear is my heart. I'm inspired by the challenge that I find myself standing eye to eye with. To move like a wise warrior and not a coward. You can't escape the history that you was meant to make. That's why the highest victory is what I'm meant to take. You came to celebrate, I came to celebrate. I hate losing, I refuse to make the same mistakes.
The fire, the fire. There's something in your heart, and it's in your eyes. It's the fire inside you. Let it burn. You don't say good luck, you say don't give up. It's the fire inside you. Let it burn. The fire inside you. The fire inside you. The fire inside you.
You feeling good? Let me hear you say alright, alright. And what up? Alright. Pooh Bear. I'm feeling good, so I'm saying myself. Alright, alright. Claudia. Alright. How you gonna do this? This one goes out to the baby girls in a rush growing up in this crazy world. Yeah, your brother on the road and he never home. I know you're feeling kinda sad now that daddy gone. You can't let it get you down, gotta carry on. We only lose things because it make us strong. You always had my love and now you got a song from the biggest fan that you've ever known. I know you won't be little girls not for very long, and you ain't gotta have a man if you don't ever want. Cause I'ma make sure you got to it, everything that you ever want, every tone that you very own. Not to make it hard to respect, just really hard to impress. It's a whole wide world for you to go and get your hands on. Until then, just come and get your dance on now.
I'ma give you the lowdown, down. You ain't never gotta worry about nothing, just as long as I'm around,
This for everybody feeling good. You know who you are, or you misunderstood. Never had money, or you living good. If you're from the burbs, if you're in the hood, recognize where we come from. In my day, man, I did a little something. They like, how come you don't rap that? Cause that's a backtrack and I ain't tryna back. I'm only moving forward, homie, that's that direction. A lot of shoulders lack that. I'm just trying to give it to him like sat-nav. Now I know I might not make it like a fat rat. That's cool, as long as he don't trap crack. Graduate from school and still let his pants sag. Never catch a case, know how to let his cash stack. Welcome to the map, go anyway, tap that man.
I'ma give you the lowdown, down.
Alright,
You ain't never gotta worry about
lot going on. Things going right, things going wrong. Maybe baby on the way and you for so long. Know that in this world you're never really on your own. God got a number, get him on the phone. He'll never put you places where you don't belong. Put you through the pain, to put you on the throne. And I know that from the bottom of my coat is on. And if they looking at you sideways, you just wave right back and tell them hi, hey. Mad you ain't hanging with him in the driveway. Nah, we gon' keep it moving to the highway. Strongest putting on, the week is all over like Friday chillin'. Shout to King David for bringing in the feeling. And I'm a pretty independent women in the building, let's go.